Good morning. You're looking at the swing machine, and today is January 13th of 2018. The time is 1 o'clock. What is the swing machine? Well, let me introduce myself. My name is Don Marshall, otherwise known as Bagger Don, creator of Stock Market Caddy. Stock Market Caddy began to come out of the ground in and around 2004. It was after the dot-com crash and before the bubble crash that I had felt left down by a lot of the opinions that were out there in the financial media and indicators and moving averages and stochastics and Mkts and a lot of that stuff that didn't even work back then. And I thought how nice it would be if I could create a tool utilizing the product from TradeStation called Radar, and that this radar would be filled with reliable, technical, unique information that would provide me an objective, consistent view of the markets. And in the beginning, I wanted it just to be on a daily, weekly, and monthly. Of course, we've now grown and we have the same radar for intraday view. But at least for a daily, weekly, monthly view, I would be able to look on a Saturday morning or a Wednesday evening or a Thursday morning and in a matter of minutes make a determination on the SPYs, for instance, if they were long, as they are. How long have they been long? 95 days. If I had 100 shares, would I be up or down? And if so, by how much? $3,300. What was the entry price? $244.85. What time should I have gone in? 4 p.m. What date should I have gone in? 8/29/17. What is the dominant trend? Strong. What is the near-term trend? What are the speculators doing? Trending up. What are the investors doing? Trending up. What is the altitude? All up. On a relative basis, dynamically, am I in the middle of the fairway or am I on the second cut low where I might be able to enter? I'm actually on the second cut high. Major resistance levels. Extremely high. Maybe a place where I want to write or sell covered calls to the speculators. I also want to know, am I out of bounds or am I in the middle of the fairway? Now, all of these indicators that go into stock market or into the swing machine are proprietary. There is one indicator that I like to use called the RSI. Now, the RSI is a benchmark, and there's a unique way to use it. But it tells us on a daily, on a weekly, and on a monthly, the SPY is at 83, 88, 86. Extremely, generationally, this is being matched. The fear of '08 at the bottom is being matched with the fear of missing out. Greed. Greed at the highest I have ever seen in my 30 years of investing and trading. Just a comment. Let's look at the swing machine. What else it is telling us about the Dow, you can see. The NASDAQ, you can see. The Russell, you can see. We also look at currencies because they can tell us much more about what's going on around the world. Gold. What is happening with gold? And it's happening now. What's happening with silver, copper, oil? When did we go long oil? 90 days ago. 90. Financials. When did we go long on a daily 83 days ago, or 60 months ago. Consumer discretionary 73 days ago, 95 months ago. XLK technology 129 days ago, 96 months ago. Industrials, energy on a monthly basis just last month. Energy going up. Utilities short 18 days ago. Weekly this week coming out of utilities. Staples dipping. Retail holders long. Gold miners headed up 13 days ago, just 3 weeks ago, putting pressure on the monthly downtrend. Regional banks long. Transportation 31 days ago, 79 weeks ago, 95 months ago. TLT bonds short 6 days ago, putting pressure on the weekly and monthly uptrend. Rates rising. Emerging markets long. Folks, I'm Bagger Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. What we try to do is provide our members a nightly view of the markets. All of the markets, futures, ETFs, stocks, options, so that they can tune in at their leisure when they want and get a real-time, consistent, accurate view of the markets. For those members who have the time and have the capital and have the passion, we make the swing machine available intraday, down to the tick level, trading futures and focused stocks. If this resonates with you, feel free to give me a call. I'll give you my home number. It's 813-758-8263. 813-758-8263. I am not a broker. I am not a broker. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not going to argue with you or with anyone or with myself that the market is going to do this or that. We're about building systems trading, taking the emotion out of the market. So if this resonates, feel free to give me a call. I'm happy to talk with you. I'm happy to talk to you about our past performances. We, for the most part, follow the swing machine, but we also have alternate strategies that run on the indexes that take into account real time, on a daily basis, the position of the VIX, the position of the 10-year bond. It is very, very powerful and very, very accurate. I do not come out at Christmas time and offer a yearly subscription at half price. In fact, we don't offer a yearly subscription. It's month to month. We think we can save you time and save you money. We think that we can teach you a lot. I can't guarantee that you'll make money, but I can guarantee that you'll learn a lot and hopefully have fun. And that's why it's month to month. The most you can lose is a month subscription. If you're not happy with it and we're not for you, you can just stop. It's done that way on purpose. And I'll add, very, very rarely do we lose a member. We don't advertise, it's word of mouth. It's homegrown. We only want like-minded people who are serious about the markets. If you're looking for a website that's going to email you out this tip, this option, that option, and entertain you, we're not it. Once again, I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. Feel free to call. Feel free to email. Feel free to join. Thank you.